Hi everybody. I don't even know if I've showed these dry paintings to you. I got my my video numbers and release times and days totally screwed up, and I don't even know what I did. But I got everything mixed up. So it's all out there, just not in the right order. But here's this one, which I totally love. Very cool. And then this. So I may have shown you those before, and I don't know what number they are, but they will be the last few videos. You can read this, zoom in, zoom out, whatever, pause it. Talks about looking at my video description, etc. I know it's very tiny and far away right now. And tons of people have been asking me lately, this is the exact same white that is in my big container. It's just in a little container. So I found an attachment. It goes to my normal hairdryer, but I've never used it. So I've got it taped up. So we're going to try it with that. Even though it seems to work just perfectly without, I figure I found it, so I may as well try it. So I'm going to do a hairdryer pour. I did, oh my gosh, I can't get my gloves on. I did a Yupo pour on, and I used these colors, and it turned out super cool. Instead of this metallic blue, I used Prussian blue, which was a little bit too dark, and it made the whole thing too dark. So I'm switching to the metallic blue. I've got Artist Loft Green Yellow, Craft Smart Fuchsia, Yellow, Artist Loft Metallic Red, and Artist Loft Brilliant Magenta. And this is a 12 by 12 inch canvas. And this is my white paint, and you can find how I mix it if you look in my playlists. And I shook it up so it's all bubbly, so I am going to have to torch this a lot to get all those bubbles out. Just flooding the canvas with it. I feel kind of weird because it is morning right now, and I don't think I've ever painted this early before. It's very weird. And I may have less videos coming up. I'm hoping not, but they're needing me full-time at work, so I may be fried by nighttime. We shall see. And for these hairdryer pours, it's okay to have a lot of paint on the canvas because you do want it to blow around. Up some edges. Ooh, missed a whole section over here. Mop my hands off. Lid back on that, torch all these air bubbles out, and then I'm going to make a puddle with these colors. So I've got my Craft Smart Fuchsia. then let's do Artist Love Green Yellow. Ooh, those are pretty. And then Brilliant Magenta. Looks like spring, which I'm not sure we will ever get. Now for the blue, metallic blue. And then metallic red is next. And yellow. Put some crud. Come on out there. Some extra paint around it. White, which as I said is the same as my big jug of paint. And now let's see if I can even focus the attachment, because normally I can just do this wherever I want. But we'll have to see. Maybe I should try low. No, low won't do anything. Chaotic nature of when I do it without the attachment. When you blow on it, it gives a different kind of edge than the hairdryer. So I like finishing with that. I really like this one. There we go. Get it kind of going off the sides here. I like that look. Looks good. Sometimes this technique is super easy, and then other times it ends up looking like muddy crap. But that blue really takes over, doesn't it? Super pretty. Let me bring you closer so you can see it. Looks good. Loving it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.